Hello, a very good morning to you all, dear students. I hope you all are healthy, fit, and fine. I am your principal, ma'am, Mrs. Shraddha Pazare Chavan, who is going to take English for you all. Last week, due to the cyclonic winds, network issue, no current, I couldn't send any videos for you. So, this week we begin with our English. So, this is your textbook, English Bal Bharti for Standard 8. Okay, this is the cover page of your textbook. Let's move to the next page of the textbook. This is the textbook's the second page, wherein we basically use the state board books, and our textbook is basically published by MSCERT. Okay, that is Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production and Curriculum Research, Pune. Let's move on to the index. Okay, now this is your index. Can you see in index we have 4 units basically, and every units have 4 to 5 subunits in the form of poetries and in the form of prose. So in the contents in your index, your first poem is A Time to Believe, that is 1.1. Okay, next, that is page number 1. Officially the textbook begins here. So 1.1, A Time to Believe. This is the warming up exercise. So this warming up exercise is a part of your textbook, wherein after the video I will send you the warming up exercises done. So you are supposed to make a separate notebook for English subject. If you do not have notebooks, you can use the regular notebooks also, or by chance if you have a lot of pages left in your last year's notebook, you can also use that notebook. But my dear students, please see that all your work which is given to you by all subject teachers should be noted down in your notebooks. This is the poem. Okay, now 1.1, A Time to Believe. The video, the picture of the poetry is a bit shaded one. Okay, I will try to see that if online textbook is available, I'll try to send the poetry from that particular chapter. Next, let us just read the poem once. 1.1, A Time to Believe by B.J. Morbitzer. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a starless sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it's through their teachings we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. So, my dear students, basically this poem is about a abstract noun which is called as believe. It is only when you believe in certain things, things will start happening. So every stanza is trying to show you a new ray of hope about how things are going to happen in different forms. We have to start believing on angels, start believing on miracles. We have to start believing that everything is going to happen good. Okay. So just let me summarize this poem for you in the first part. Again, later I will again summarize for you. The poet begins by saying that to believe is to know that every day is a new day with a new beginning. It means to trust that miracles do happen and dreams do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. It is to know the beauty and magical quality of a sky filled with stars and to accept the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of someone who nurtures us and looks after us. It is to recognize the innocence in the child's eyes and then to acknowledge the beauty of a person who is growing old. It is through their teachings of these old people that we have learned to love. To believe means to know and find the strength and courage that is within us, especially when it is time to get over a shock or a disaster and return to a normal life once again. To believe means to know that we are never alone, that life is a gift and we must value and protect it. Finally, the poet says that to believe means to know that wonderful surprises are waiting to happen and that all our hopes and dreams are within reach. All we must do is have a positive approach to life and believe in ourselves. Okay, so this is just an abstract noun which is called as belief, and because of this particular term belief, we can do miracles in our life and miracles can happen in our life. Okay, my dear students, now after this poetry or video, I am going to send you on the English workshop which is on the page number 3. Now question number 1A, B and question 2 I have done in the form of exercise which I am going to send you. Question 6 I have done. Some of the parts I have completed which you are supposed to note down in your notebook. Now later in the next week I will send you a skeleton about how to write the appreciation of poem. Now appreciation of poem is a very important part of your English syllabus till your 10th standard. Appreciation of poem appears in your board exam for 15 marks. So either of the poem will be asked to you for appreciation. I will write one sample for you and give it to you, and depending on that sample you are supposed to write the appreciation of this particular poem. Okay, my dear students, so please complete all the assignments given by all the teachers. If you have separate notebooks, please make separate notebooks for each subject, or if you do not have, you can use the last year's notebook as a continuation. Okay, so I hope everyone understands what I have taught you all. So till then, my dear students, take care, stay home, stay safe.